If you want to up your mood and emotions, start by improving your gut health. And to improve gut health, it takes healthy food alternatives and food-grade essential oils. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this yummy no-bake chocolate pie. It has walnuts for the crust, coconut milk, which makes it so creamy yet it's dairy-free, monk fruit allulose for the sweetening, never erythritol, plus 2 food-grade essential oils, wild orange and ginger for digestion and improving your metabolism. Stick around to the end and make sure and download my free guide. Say goodbye to brain fog swap list. Then like and subscribe, and make sure and ask your questions in the comments below. Healthy is simple. This easy chocolate pie is made in 4 layers, and you do the first 3 in 3 different blender processes without washing your blender in between. So for layer 1, in blender add 1.5 cups walnuts, 1/4 cup of cacao or carob powder, 2 tablespoons of butter, and then turn on your blender. We are going to just mix this until it's really nice and crumbly. Then spoon it into a lightly oiled pie plate and press it all around until it's nice and smooth and very evenly spread. Then go to layer 2. On the top of a double boiler or even just any pan over the top of boiling water. Add 3/4 cup of chocolate or carob chips, then stir until melted. Meanwhile, take 1 chilled can full fat coconut milk and divide it 3 ways. 3/4 cup of the top heavy cream for the last layer, another 1/2 cup, and the remaining 1/2 cup. Now to the blender, we're going to add that middle 1/2 cup. Then add 1/3 cup tahini or sunflower butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and your melted chocolate chips. And we're going to blend this until very, very smooth. Now you may need to push down the sides with your spatula a couple of times in order to blend it very smooth. Then we're going to put this onto our crust. It is our second layer. And then just smooth it out until it evenly covers the bottom. And then we're going to put it aside and go to layer 3. So we're going to go to a saucepan and heat 1/4 cup of butter plus 1/2 cup monk fruit sweetener. And we're going to cook this until it is golden. It's going to take a little bit of cooking and stirring. And then once it's golden, we are going to put it in our unwashed blender, add that 1/2 cup of scant coconut milk, then 3 tablespoons of tahini or sunflower butter again, plus 6 drops of wild orange essential oil and 1 drop of ginger essential oil. Then we're going to layer it on our pie and mix it in. This is the caramel topping, oh so yummy, and we're going to lay it into that chocolate filling. Then go to step 4. And in a small bowl, we're going to put that 3/4 cup of thick coconut cream, a tablespoon of powdered monk fruit, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Whisk it all together until it's very, very smooth. Then we're going to layer this as our 4th and last layer. I like to put it in the middle and then just kind of pull it out to the sides and then give it a jiggle so it's more nice and smooth. Then you're going to chill it well to set. Super delicious. Healthy is simple. If you struggle with gut health or emotional health, please ask your questions in the comments below, then like and subscribe. And be sure to download my free guide. Say goodbye to brain fog swap list below. This is an excellent place to start, so do it now, and thank you for watching.